I just committed murder. Oh, he's calling. It's again. Yeah, hello? What? Oh no! No! Clarence, how did it happen? I thought Gilbert was your soulmate. He treasured you, and you treasured him. He was your better half. I mean, you guys were drawn to each other like a mental flames. Why? Why do you have to kill him?
You will not understand. You will not understand at all. I was lured to a walk in the dark in that marriage. I was.
No.
The sense of betrayal is even more profound. I was drawn to my elastic limit.
Easy, charm. Come on, baby.
What?
We have the whole month to ourselves for this honeymoon.
I know, right?
Easy, yeah.
You know, it's still a dream to me that I'm able to walk down that endless aisle with my soulmate.
I'm so excited. Imagining a life without you is something very impossible. I must have wished for you so hard and so often that you had no choice but to come through. I love you.
I love you too, baby. Alright. Hold on.
Oh, babe.
Ha! Magic Mike, baby.
That excitement.
Yeah. You see that waist?
Yeah, baby.
See that fire African waist?
Yeah.
I'm coming in. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. For me.
All for you, baby.
I know.
I'm opening the gates of heaven.
I love this movie. Baby.
See, that's how long my is.
Babe.
Yeah.
Baby, you are really excited.
I am.
I see.
You excite me. Oh my God. Release the Kraken.
Hello? Oh, Clarence. I'm fine. You? Good to know. So how is married life treating you? That's good. Oh, come on, stop it. I don't want to hear all that gist. I mean, that is between you and your husband. Silly girl. Anyway, look, I am happy that you are happy, Clarence. I mean, this has always been my dream for you, you know. But you need to be careful, okay? And, you know, make sure you work hard on your marriage so that you'll be successful. Uh-huh. Oh, that's very fine. Look, I need to run, okay? I'll catch up with you later. I mean, I'll call you, okay? All right, see you. And I love you more.
So what's up with your mom? Did she call you to tell you that she's back home?
Oh yes, she did. I forgot to tell you, darling. She also sent her regards.
You know, I really appreciate her coming. She really tried.
Does she have a choice? I mean, I am the first daughter of the family, so I deserve all the love and attention I can get.
What about Louise and her husband?
Oh, that one. She's still enjoying herself in the hotel with her husband. I don't have her time yet.
Yeah, those ones are like new lovers, I can imagine.
Honestly, baby, I cannot wait to fill this house with children. So tell me, how many do you want? 5, 8, 10?
Babe, marriage is not all about making babies, you know. It's not, right? I still want to enjoy my wife before babies come.
But baby, a lot of newly married look forward to motherhood. Getting to know a tiny baby, raising a growing child, developing a relationship with a maturing son or daughter. In fact, baby, all over the world, people believe that parenting is the most rewarding part of life.
Yeah, I'm still not gonna change my views, okay? I love you a lot, and I want you to give me all your attention, okay? Okay?
I know. Babe.
What? Enough talking, okay?
John, good morning. I need to talk to you.
What do you want? What are you doing here? What do you want?
Abba, John. Why are you talking to me as if I'm your enemy?
No, yet, see. Or whatever you call yourself. Could you please just leave here? Leave this place before I do something that we'll both regret. I'm serious.
I beg. Stop pouring saliva on me. What is it? Anybody that is listening to you now will think I'm owing you a lot of money.
You have 18,000 naira of my money with you. And you're here running your mouth. Like, you know what? I don't blame you. I think I was the one that made it get this far. And it's going to end today. So
Did I say I wasn't going to pay you? Did I? Why are you trying to embarrass me now? Why?
What happened to that your rich uncle, the billionaire you always talk about?
He traveled. He just got a contract in Abuja. And see, hey, when he returns, he's going to be spending money on me like a billionaire.
Interesting.
Yes.
You know what? Go and meet him and leave me alone in peace.
John, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere until you give me money. You give me money. See, I need to buy 2 cans of sardine, 1 bread, and I also want to buy 2 Coke to step down. And then you will give me money to go to the market. So I'll buy okra that I'll eat in the evening. Thank you.
Did you come with a charm?
Charm?
Yeah.
Of course not.
Are you sure? Because even if you brought one, it's not going to work on me. Alright? So leave this place before I do something drastic.
John, I'm your friend though. Can't you do something for your friend?
Let me bring you come Lagos.
See, just give me something to eat though. I'm just being nice to you now.
See, are you high on some cheap drugs?
John, I need money. You need to help me. I need money, please. Eh? Just give me money. Let me use and buy. You understand now? You know how this thing works.
See, do you know what? Leave this place now. I'm serious.
John, I'm not going anywhere.
Leave this place now.
Do you want me to die? I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. Don't worry. I'm coming. You're here, Abby? Don't worry. Wait a minute.
You're not going to do anything.
I'm coming now.
Just give me that money. Oh.
Wait, I'm
what
coming.
is it, Seth? I'm waiting for you. John, give me money. Let me go and buy something. No. Give me money. Let me go and buy something. I cannot do more than a dead rat.
Oh. You know, I'm so proud of you. You're a PhD holder now. I'm so happy for you. The youngest PhD holder. The sexiest PhD holder. The smartest PhD holder.
Thank you so much, my love. But I couldn't have achieved that without your support. But, baby, from today henceforth, you will always address me as Dr. Mrs. Ike.
Oh, yes, of course. Dr. Mrs. Ikedi.
Exactly.
Oh my God, I'm so proud of you, baby. And the linguistic department is going to be so proud of you. You know, you're almost going to be a professor. You're like getting there.
You can say that again, my love, but truth be told, it wasn't easy.
Oh yeah?
Our professors were hard not to crack.
How? You're a bookworm. Everybody knows that.
Baby, doing a PhD is not about lounging around, reading books, and discussing intelligent ideas.
Okay.
Research work also abounds.
That's the hard work. I'm not interested in the hard work. I just want to know about the pleasures. What are the pleasures?
Okay, one of the pleasures of doing a PhD is that from time to time, you can clock off on time.
Oh yeah?
You can also abandon the library without anyone asking you any question. But for me, that alone involves going to the cinema.
Wait, hold on. So you go to the cinema without me? You just... Oh, confession time, I see. Who are you going with?
Baby, you know you. You are always in the bank.
Yeah, counting other people's money.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does.
Work is work. So tell me, when are you resuming?
Monday.
Monday?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Work sure starts on Monday. I mean, I cannot wait. I have missed lecturing a lot.
Oh, you're such a workaholic. Like, you're such a workaholic. You know, but we have thousands and thousands and thousands of rounds left.
Oh, goodness.
Okay, I still got rounds in the chamber.
What is wrong
okay?
with you,
The
baby?
honeymoon period never ends, babe. It never.
Oh, baby.
Never ends.
In my dictionary, it sure ends. You're such a dog. What's wrong with you? Please stop. Stop, I take.
Okay.
Oh no.
What are you
I
doing?
will give you.
So you're not.
I know what you want.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what all.
Dyslexia is a learning disorder that involves difficulty in reading due to problems identifying speech, sounds, and learning how they relate to letters and words. Dyslexia affects areas of the brain that process language. People with dyslexia have normal intelligence and usually have normal vision. Most children with dyslexia can succeed in school with tutoring or a specialized education program. Emotional support also plays an important role. Oh goodness.
I'm all set, babe.
Hey bro, you are?
Yep. What time is your lecture today?
11 o'clock.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
So you're about to leave?
Yes. I'm done. See you later, okay?
Alright.
You're beautiful.
Oh goodness. Dyslexia is a learning disorder
Come on. Come on. I'm just... No. This is not fair. This is not... Come on, why me? God, why me? Why? Why now? I just... It's not fair. This is not fair. Come on.
Retrenchment of workers? Just like that? Hey baby, what? My goodness, what is wrong? Hello baby. Hang in there for me. I'll be home in a jiffy, okay? Right away, my love. How did it happen?
I don't know. I mean, we had just finished for the day. I was about to leave. The MD called me into his office and just gave me a sack letter.
Without notice?
Exactly my point. No notice at all.
They did not specify any reason for terminating your employment?
Something about the management system being ineffective and our bank was unable to merge with other commercial banks, but...
This is serious. Oh no, babes, don't do that. Listen to me, my love. Something better than what has just gone will come. Please, you do not have to drink, okay? I am with you. And always. Please, my love. Okay?
You don't want to come here and give me money. After you say you care about me. Okay. No wahala. Hey, Joy, please, excuse me. I've been praying for you to come out. I need to speak to you.
Hold it, just hold it. I don't have money to give you.
Joy, don't do this to your neighbor. Eh? Do you want me to die of hunger and lack?
God, what have I done to deserve this? Naomi, what is it now? What is it? Everything money. Did I come to Lagos because of you? See, I don't have money. See, don't let me lay a curse on you.
Chai.
It's gonna affect you and that your 10th generation. What is your problem? I'm just your neighbor now. Why are you giving me pain?
Joy, you know I'm broke now because my uncle is not sending me money.
You are always broke.
But you know if he sends me money, I am going to be a big girl. You know that already.
I don't want to know anything, Naomi. I don't want to know anything, no. I don't want to know anything. See, do you know what? I've written up all the money you're going to don't even pay me. I don't want anything.
Get out! Shut up that your mouth. What is your problem? Eh? Why are you disturbing? What is it? You're making mad for me because of that your useless, lousy guy you call a boyfriend that gives you chicken change. Not touch me,
Calm down now. You quit the vessel. I mean, they play now. It's not money you want. I have to. There's one spare money I'm not using.
Thank you.
Calm
That's
down.
why I like you.
Let me get the money. Money kill you there. Stupid girl. This is your problem. You don't have money yet you are very loud and...
Shut up. Yes. Leave my loud and rude mouth for me. It is there to deal with people like you.
Come and take the money. It's here. Useless girl. You can insult me. I don't care. But I'm not giving you a dime.
Hey, wait. Joy, you're not going to give me money. Hey, no problem. I am going to deal with you in this compound. Yes! I am going to deal with you and make you regret the day you were born. You!
Me?
Yes!
Edo girl. Bring it
Edo
on.
Katak, you see your mouth, see her careless.
Nonsense.
You know you're fine. You manage
Come
get
and
one
take money.
useless boyfriend when they
Useless.
manage. See, I would have
Nonsense.
snatched that boy from you. But, Ochako Maka, you're not even fine. Are you fine? Come and see beauty now. Look at me. Imarama, you're not fine. Come and see beauty. Ochako Maka, ugly goat. See this idiot that she should be happy I'm begging her for money. What's the way person no go see? Rubbish. Yeah, girl. All this useless guy that will now answer my call.
Hello, Prof. I'm fine. How are you? Please, did you see any well-paying job in the online job listening? Yes. Okay, fine. I'll wait till next week. I'll be patient. I'll be patient. Thanks a lot. Good night. Baby, please take it easy.
How long is this going to go on for?
Everything will be fine, okay? You're sure with that, right?
Too much to just sit at home being idle.
Calm down. It's okay.
Hi.
What's that?
It's my niece. I don't know. She's oh my god. I don't want to talk to her now.
Pick up the call.
No, these family people. I don't have their time now.
Maybe you have to take her call no matter what.
Hello. No.
Uncle Gilbert, I said I need money.
I don't have money to send you now. I told you I was laid off. And things are a bit rough for me now. And honestly, I'm a bit under the weather.
What about your wife?
My wife is fine. She's trying the best she can. I don't want to be a burden to her. Listen, Naomi. No, listen. We'll talk later. Bye.
This man does not know me. Eh? You don't know me, Abby? It's like he doesn't know me. Gilbert.
What's the problem?
It's just, she's always asking for money. Always asking for money. She'll call, ask for money for textbooks, ask for money for upkeep, ask for money for field research, and most of the time I think she's asking for money for things that don't even exist.
Baby.
Was I born to suffer? I'm done being their sacrificial lamb. I'm done.
Baby, you have to calm down. You do not have to transfer the aggression on the little girl.
Yeah.
She needs money for school and there is nothing, absolutely nothing you can do to change that.
So what should I do? Should I steal money? I should steal money and give her so I'll be the good uncle now. No, I'm not doing that.
I never said you should steal. Baby, I am your wife and I'm here for you. Baby, I am here to render help when needed. I am your support system. Okay? So tell me, how much does she need?
No.
Baby, tell me. Baby. How much?
She said 80K.
80K. Alright. Let me have her details. I'll transfer the money now.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's fine.
Thank you. Thank you for helping me out with my family.
You don't have to.
I really appreciate it.
Don't rush.
can't keep that baby. Yeah, I don't think we're stable enough to take care of that baby.
I don't understand you, babes. What do you mean we are not stable enough to take care of the baby? I am not idle. I am a lecturer. And my salary can cater for this family.
I'm jobless, Clarice. Okay, I'm not about to welcome a child into this house when I'm damn broke. Okay, you tell it to my face all the time that I'm idle. I'm only jobless, I didn't kill nobody.
But I am not complaining. And I'm sure the baby will not complain too. Listen, my love, I need this baby. It's a collective decision and not yours alone.
Decision has been made and it's irrevocable.
Excuse me? What decision are you talking about, Gil? So sacrificing my own happiness of experiencing the joy of motherhood will make you happy, right? Now let me tell you, Gil. This is a recipe for discord.
You know what you need? You need a cold bowl of reality soup, okay? I don't need a kid right now. I'm not bringing a kid into this house or into this world to suffer, okay? Let's not argue about this.
You may take me for a fool, but I know what you're doing, and I can't take it anymore. All the lies and deception everybody see now. You're pushing me to the wall, to the wall. I gave you my heart and I gave you my everything, but you're taking me for a ride, for a ride. Am I really dreaming? Somebody wake me up. I'm hurting deep inside, deep inside. When you take me to the limit, just be careful what you do. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Oh, after you. Coming right after you. I am not a fool, just be ready, it won't be too long. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you.
Hey, beautiful. I got you this, if you want it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You look beautiful in this dress, like really beautiful.
Thank you.
Is this hair new? Definitely looks new. Looks amazing on you.
Baby, this is the hair I've been wearing since.
No, I thought it was, you know, well, it looks beautiful, that's what I'm saying. Okay, what are we watching? Oh. Babe, I was thinking, you know.
Thinking about what?
The car outside.
What about the car?
You know, I was thinking I should sell it and start a business for myself. You know, I'm sick of being in this house just idle, doing nothing, you know?
What? Why would you say such? Why would you even think about selling the car? A car my father gave me on my birthday? This is irrational, please.
Okay, so you want me to just sit in this house doing nothing, huh? Just tell me if you want me to be answerable to you so I'll know that I have no place in this house.
I never meant it that way. What I'm trying to say is
What are you trying to say? You know, I always knew you wanted to turn me into a house husband. That will never happen. That will never happen. Not in my house. I'm the man of the house. Okay, you will never emasculate me. Never.
What is wrong with you? Why are you so paranoid? You want to sell the car? Okay, go ahead and sell the car if it makes you happy. What's all this? Just leave me alone. Sell the car. Do whatever you want to do.
Okay, so how many bags do you want? I mean, I need to know the exact number so I could make my supplier get them ready for you.
I think 8 will do it for me.
8? Are you sure? I mean, I would advise you go for a dozen since you get a bonus from the company.
Alright, let's do a dozen then.
All right, let me send an email right away.
Alright.
I mean, the earlier the better.
Okay. What is it?
I mean, have a look. I mean, who else? My sister. Good. I mean, she kept disturbing the whole world with her videos and pictures of herself and her husband all the time.
I beg, leave them alone. They are clearly and obviously in love. Let them show themselves to the world, though. I beg. Happy marriage is what we love to see.
It's not like I'm not happy for them. I mean, I am all out for them, even though we know little about the husband. And I doubt if herself knows too much about the husband.
Well, I don't see any problem with that as long as everything is going well, right?
That's quite true.
What is it again?
Can I confide in you?
Of course. Oh, yes.
Okay, so I paid a visit to my sister 2 days ago and realized she sold the car our daddy gave her on her birthday. I mean, a clean car, just like that. And when I asked her why she did what she did, I mean, she avoided the question stylishly.
Well, I don't see any problem with that. Anyone can sell a car anytime he or she chooses, so I really don't see anything out of the ordinary about that.
Look, I understand what you're saying, but my sister wanted to tell me something, but she stopped talking immediately the husband walked into the house.
So
can't you see it is odd for it to happen? I mean, my sister and I are very close, and she used to tell me any and everything, but all of those things stopped ever since she got married to that guy.
she has a new confidant, her husband, so you should understand now.
Look, I know you're right, but I'm a little bit worried about her sudden change. Look, for example, the other time she visited me at home and she looked tired and far away.
See, I beg, Louisa, leave her alone. She's a married woman. She's free to live her life the way she deems fit. I beg, let's not judge and start putting tension where there is not. I beg.
I mean, that's alright. You're right. I mean, let me order your bag.
Okay.
Give me a second.
And what's the meaning of this one now, baby? What is this? You want to use a robber on me? For crying out loud, I am your wife and I am married to you legally. What is this?
Babe, please, can we just enjoy this moment, okay? Let's not bicker, please.
If you do not want us to fight, babes, throw this thing away and make love to me properly. I am your wife. What has come over you?
Okay. It's okay. I'm sorry.
And do the needful now.
Okay. Good? Yeah?
You're just annoying.
Baby, I'm sorry now. You're not even
Wrong. I said let's use the condom. You say no. Why do you have to behave like a bloody fool all the time? Huh? Now you're pregnant. What kind of wife are you? Listen to me, no. Listen to me. Why are you crying? Crocodile tears. Huh? First thing tomorrow morning, you're going to remove that baby. You're going to remove that. If you don't do it, I will kill you and bury you in this house. Nobody will. Bloody fool. Yes, you.
You may take me for a fool, but I know what you're doing. And I can't take it anymore.
Yo, guy, now what for you? The pills do the work now. It's not the work. Eh? No, I need new samples. I beg. No, it's very, very important. And I want you to talk last time now. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright.
You may take me for a fool, but I know what you're doing, and I can't take it anymore.
Hey, baby. I made some stuff for you. You know, I got some bread here, I got tea, juice if you want, and apples. I know how much you love apples. You don't want this? I'll just keep it here, just in case you get hungry, you know? So, what do you want? Do you want to watch TV? Because I could turn on the TV for you. Babe, what do you want? Babe, are you okay? You're not gonna answer me?
What's wrong? What's wrong with you? Eh? Why do you always have to get me upset? Because of an abortion. Just an abortion that everybody does every day. What's the big deal?
Listen, I'm here for you, babe. I'm here for you, okay? I'm always going to be here for you. Don't turn your back on me just because of an abortion. Eh? Baby.
Just an abortion that everyone does, right?
Yeah, things are what we make of it. If you think of it as a big deal, it becomes a big deal. It's not a big deal.
I have just one question for you.
Anything for you. Anything. Ask me anything. I'll do anything for you. You know I'll do anything for you. I love you. Just ask me.
How many more abortions will I have to do to make you happy? How many?
Every day for the thief, one day for the owner, and just then it'll be too late, very late.
If only I kept my first pregnancy, I would have been here watching the TV with my child. When will I have my own baby? When?
I gave you my heart and I gave you my everything, but you're taking me for a ride.
Pass the ball. Hey! My grandmother will pass that ball better than this guy. What's going on? Hey! It's a crime to support this club. What kind of club is that? I'm sorry. It's just hello? Oh. Yeah.
You may take me for a fool, but I know what you're doing, and I can't take it anymore. All the lies and deception, everybody see now.
What? What? No. No!
Hey, what are you doing here?
Haba, uncle, what do you mean? What am I doing here? Can't I visit my uncle's house again?
Not now. Okay? It's a very difficult time for my wife and I. Okay? You don't have to be difficult all the time.
What's going on here?
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Hey.
Good afternoon. And who are you?
My name is Naomi Kedi. I'm Uncle Gilbert's niece. Oh, Jesus. Uncle, your wife is very beautiful in real life than in pictures. See, I'm so sorry I didn't attend your wedding. School issues.
Is it the one you said?
Yeah. Yeah, she's the one that's always breathing down my neck to send her money. Like, she sets up a multi-million-dollar business for me, you know. Very stubborn child.
She is the one?
Yes, stubborn girl.
Why are you like this? And you kept her standing like a stranger.
Oh, I'm
sorry, darling. You're welcome. He's always like this. Come with me.
Thank you.
I hope you came successfully.
Yes. Auntie, your house is really beautiful.
Thank you. How about school?
Fine.
Okay.
Very fine.
Wow.
So good to see you, Auntie. You're so beautiful.
Thank you. You're beautiful yourself.
Oh my
You
God.
told me you're coming.
I'm here now.
Oh, no. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, come in. All right, here we are. So this is going to be your room throughout your stay with us. I hope you like it.
Thank you very much, Auntie. This room is fine. Finer than my room in school.
I know, right?
Yes.
Okay, darling, you have to freshen up. I'll call you when the table is set.
Okay, thank you very much, Auntie.
You make yourself comfortable. I'll be right back.
All right.
All right.
Thank you so much. Okay.
So tell me, what is your course of study?
History and International Studies.
Yeah, that's nice. So by now you should be in your finals because my husband told me that.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, what is your seminar and project topic? I believe you should be working on your project now because you should be in the second semester.
Project topic.
Yeah.
I can't even remember.
Naomi, you can't remember. What are you thinking?
Auntie, a lot is on my plate, Jerry. I'm looking for money for accommodation, money
For sorting too. Because a bad student like you who cannot remember her project or her seminar topic would definitely be waving her life around sorting. For goodness sake, what is wrong with you, Naomi? You have to sit up. Go find out your project topic and let me know.
Okay, I will.
Okay, fine. What's your GPA?
I don't know. It should be in first class.
Naomi? First class? Yet you don't know your project or your seminar topic? That's a big fat lie. You seem to have forgotten that I am a doctor in the Department of Languages and Linguistics. Please, tell me another story. What's that?
Auntie, what is even holding you and Uncle?
Holding us how?
Holding you guys from making babies.
I'll say we're waiting upon the Lord.
Oh, okay. Nice. Auntie, don't worry. The Lord will do it, okay?
Sure.
We'll do it.
Gilbert, who does she think she is trying to look down on me?
Calm down, okay? I knew this was going to happen. That's why I didn't want you to come here.
You know I will not take this from her. Never! Is she the only lecturer in this Lagos?
But it's too hot. Calm down. It's not that serious now.
She claims she knows everything, yet she is barren. Barren woman, barren witch.
Hey, don't talk about my wife like that. Do not talk about my wife like that. We only have one car in this house because of you. I sold that car and sent you that money.
Get out. Like husband, like wife. Nonsense.
Noye! Noye! Hey! Hey! Why are you slamming my door? Eh? What? Why are you pouring this all over the floor?
What is it?
As you can see, I'm enjoying my life. As you know, we only live once.
This is my wife's special wine! How dare you open it?
Oh, please don't play that card with me. Your wife is special in her own way, and I am also special in my own way. So please.
Hey, stop drinking this wine!
That reminds me. We need a maid in this house. Yes. Because I cannot be entering that kitchen every day.
Look at my hand. Acrylic nails. I cannot be washing with my bare hands. Okay? So please put that into consideration. Thank you.
Stop drinking my wife's wine. What's wrong with you?
Let me hear what.
Give me this. Wait, what's wrong? Let go. I'll hit your head on the wall. I'll hit your head on the wall. I'll hit your head on the wall. I swear to God.
Okay. So this is where they do it. I will be in the guest room and they will be here doing it. This is supposed to be mine. All of this is supposed to be mine.
Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. And just then it'll be too late. Very late. All the lies and deception, they'll never be enough. Everything will be going down. Going down. I gave you my heart.
So tell me, how is school?
School is very frustrating now. Frustrating, especially when you don't have money.
But you don't look like someone who doesn't see money.
Please, auntie, don't start.
Look at the hair you're wearing. Look at the hair you're wearing.
No, leave this hair. Leave this hair. Leave this hair.
You tell me the person
Please.
taking care of you.
I need money, serious money.
How else?
I don't say that. The
You know
hair.
how expensive this hair is.
Please.
I don't want to believe that. Who's taking care of you?
I don't have it.
You look like Anthony.
Stop.
I'm telling you, I'm talking
I know what it's okay. No, don't say that. You know you're the one in love now. No, wait.
That's not true.
I don't want to talk about love. I don't want to talk about love.
You will talk about it.
No! Stop. No! I don't want to talk about love. Is it because you're in love?
Tell me how.
Oh, please. But I mustn't get married now.
You must.
Is it by force?
Oh my goodness. Oh my. So tell me, who is your boyfriend?
His name is Walter. He's tall and cute, just like your husband.
Wow, that's great. So tell me, does he have any intention of getting married to you?
Yes.
He has? How did you know that?
He's always talking about the future, how we're going to walk down the aisle, and how our kids are going to look like.
Wow.
He's so much in love with me.
That's so sweet. I mean, that reminds me on how I met my beloved husband, your uncle.
So, how did you meet him?
Okay, it's just like meeting in American movies. Some hoodlums came to snatch my bag, and he appeared from nowhere and saved me.
Oh.
It was just a perfect example of saving a damsel in distress.
I see. How romantic.
That was so sweet, baby. Anyway, sorry, my love. I'll just get the rest of it.
Yes.
Wow, that's so great. You mean?
If you guys could hurry, please. I'm really hungry, okay? I know you guys are... Yeah.
Wait. Auntie, wait. You mean all this for me?
They are for you, but they are dirty, so I have to call my dry cleaner to wash them.
No, Auntie, you don't need to call your dry cleaner. I'll do it. I'll wash everything.
No, I don't want to stress you. I have a dry cleaner, so let the person come and wash. I will pay.
You mean it?
Of course.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
I hope you like them.
What did you say? Like? I love it. Oh
Thank you.
This is so beautiful.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, Auntie, thank you very much.
Enough! Enough
much
already. Come on. This is something I've worn a couple of times.
You're so nice. Why are you so nice?
I know this one will suit your color.
Oh, this is beautiful.
It's fine.
Help me. Let me wear this one. Let me say it.
To suit you, definitely.
Look at the colors. The colors are mad.
Oh my goodness. This is nice.
This is crazy.
Hello, Edna.
Please get to the house, pick those dirty clothes and wash them. It's very important to me. Yes, I'll be traveling soon and I need them. Yeah, my husband is at home. Once you get there, tell him your bill. He will settle it. Okay? Please be fast. Thank you.
Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. And just then it'll be too late. Very late.
Whoa! Don't do that. What are you? No, no, no. Oh yeah.
Stop what? Stop what? Stop. Come on.
What are you doing? Stop.
I am dying to have this with you. Gilbert. Eh? My cobwebs needs to be cleaned out. Can't you see? Do you think playing this pretense game is easy? Watching another woman kissing and hugging you.
Stop. Stop
What? Oh wait, you think I came all the way up to this place to look at your face, Abby? Open your mouth, let me kiss you. I want it now. Open your trouser. Open your shirt. You think I'm joking? Open your mouth.
Hey.
Good day, sir.
Good afternoon. How long have you been standing there?
I just came in.
You just came in. Oh, okay, she just came in.
Yes.
Yeah. So what are you doing here?
The clothes.
Oh, yes, they're upstairs. Yeah. So I'll go.
Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. And just then it'll be too late. Very late. All the lies and deception, they'll never be enough.
Edna.
Everything will be going down.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Madam, I am 100% sure of what I am telling you. I know what I saw. I don't have any reason to lie to you.
My God. My God.
I'm beginning to find you.
Oh, hey babe. Welcome back.
Good evening, Auntie. Is she okay?
I don't know. I guess she's stressed out from work.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Alright. International man killer.
Hey, babe.
Yeah, hi.
You okay?
I'm very fine. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, I almost forgot. I will not be coming home very early tomorrow. A friend of mine will be organizing a housewarming party, so I'll go there and render some help to her. In case if you feel sleepy, you can go ahead and sleep. You don't have to wait for me, right?
Okay.
Bye.
You may take me for a fool, but I know what you're doing. And I can't take it anymore. Anymore. All the lies and deception everybody see now. You're pushing me to the wall. To the wall. I gave you my heart and I gave you my everything. But you're taking me for a ride. For a ride. Am I really dreaming? Somebody wake me up. Somebody wake me up. I'm hurting deep inside. Deep inside. When you take me to the limit, just be careful what you do. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Oh, after you. Coming right after you. I am not a fool, just be ready. It won't be too long. I'll be coming back after you.
What kind of wife are you? Listen to me, no. Listen to me. Why are you crying? Crocodile tears. Huh? First thing tomorrow morning, you're going to remove that baby. You're going to remove that. If you don't do it, I will kill you and bury you in this house. Nobody will find out. Bloody fool!
Very late. All the lies and deception, they'll never be enough. Everything will be going down. Going down. I gave you my heart and I gave you my everything. But you're taking me for a ride. For a ride. Am I really dreaming? Somebody wake me up. Somebody wake me up. I'm hurting deep inside. Deep inside. When you take me to the limit, just be careful what you do. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Oh, after you. Coming right after you. I am not a fool, just be ready. It won't be too long. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Yeah. Yeah. All the lies and deception everybody see now. You're pushing me to the wall. To the wall. I gave you my heart and I gave you my everything. But you're taking me for a ride. For a ride. Am I really dreaming? Somebody wake me up. Somebody wake me up. I'm hurting deep inside. Deep inside. When you take me to the limit, just be careful what you do. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Oh, after you. Coming right after you. I am not a fool, just be ready. It won't be too long. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Yeah. Yeah. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. And just then it'll be too late. Very late. All the lies and deception, they'll never be enough. Everything will be going down.
No, you have to leave this house, okay? Because my wife is beginning to suspect something.
Suspect what?
Hey.
Suspect what? If this is a ploy for you to dump me, then you are sadly mistaken. Because I have been there before her. I have been with you through thick and thin. I have a daughter for you. And I am the only one. Clarice is just our prey. A prey I set for you to feast on.
Listen, I need you to leave, okay? Because I can't lose my marriage.
What's marriage? Eh? A marriage that cannot produce kids? A marriage that the wife has a perforated womb? Gilbert, I am more of a woman than her, okay?
I made her lose her womb for you. Okay? Because of you, Noye. That woman has been my rock. I sold her car to take care of her parents. I almost had a stroke if I didn't sell that car. Eh? What else do you want from me? What else? My blood? Eh?
Well, that is her fate. All I want is my man. I want my man back!
Just go. I'll come back to you, okay?
No.
But just go.
No! I am not going anywhere, okay? I can't even believe I'm doing this for you. I can't believe I changed my name from Nonye to Naomi just to be here. You know what? I'm done with this. Let's go. We are going together.
I'm not going anywhere, okay? I'm not going anywhere. This is my home.
Then watch me spill to your wife that we are con artists and that she's one of our prey. If only she can remember how we set everything up on that fateful day.
Hello? Please, you have to be fast about it, please. I'm stranded. Yes, I am. Hello?
Sorry, what's happened to your car?
I don't know, it just suddenly stopped.
Let me see what I can do.
Oh, please.
Oh, yeah.
Just...
You have an oil inside. Let me see your car key.
It's there. It's there. Hi, I don't understand. I have an appointment. What? Ah! Wait! Oh my God!
Get out of here.
My goodness.
Sorry about that, okay? It's a notorious neighborhood.
I thought he was coming to help me. I never knew he was a criminal.
It's okay. It's okay. What's the problem?
Thanks. I don't know. The car just suddenly stopped.
Yeah?
Goodness me.
Okay. It's okay. I know a mechanic that stays around here.
You do?
Yeah.
Please, just help me. I hope you're going to stay here with me. I don't want you to go. I hope you're going to stay here with me.
Oh, yeah. No, definitely, yeah.
Okay, because I'm getting scared already.
Don't be. I'm here. Nuru. Yeah, I did Odenisi Street. No. Send one of your boys, eh? Okay. Now Toyota. Okay.
Is he coming?
He's coming. He's on his way. He's sending one of his boys. You know, something like this shouldn't happen to people that look as good as you. It's quite unfortunate, you know?
Thank you.
You don't need stress in your life. I'm just being honest with you.
Thank you.
Because you're beautiful.
I'm Clarice.
You're Clarice?
Yeah.
I'm Gilbert. I'm sorry, I almost forgot my name. That's how beautiful you are.
Thank you.
Can I have your number? Is that inappropriate right now?
No, it's fine.
Yeah?
It's fine.
Great.
Hello, madam. Hello. Yeah, na me. Where you there now? I dey my joint to wait for you now. Don't. Be fast. Okay, thank you.
Oh, I'm so sorry. For keeping
No
you
problem, no problem, no
waiting.
problem.
I'm so sorry.
No problem.
You did a very good job.
Now my talent be that.
Now
my talent.
See the way you do the thing.
No what? You complete, so?
Yeah, I complete.
Okay,
Count it now.
I know I trust you, I trust you. Have any time, just
yeah,
call
now.
me. And...
Sure boy.
You will do no such thing. You won't tell her anything.
That's for your information. I'm pregnant for a second baby.
What? Money?
You may take me for a fool, but I know what you're doing. And I can't take it anymore. All the lies and deception everybody see now. You're pushing me to the wall. To the wall. I gave you my heart and I gave you my everything, but you're taking me for a ride. For a ride. Am I really dreaming? Somebody wake me up. Somebody wake. I'm hurting deep inside. Deep inside. When you take me to the limit, just be careful what you do. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Oh, after you. Coming right after you. I am not a fool, just be ready. It won't be too long. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Yeah. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. And just then it'll be too late. Very late. All the lies and deception, they'll never be enough. Everything will be going down. Going down. I gave you my heart and I gave you my everything, but you're taking me for a ride. For a ride. Am I really dreaming? Somebody wake me up. Somebody wake. I'm hurting deep inside. Deep inside.
Babe?
Yeah?
You know, it's been a while since you cooked. You really surprised me this time.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm the only one that's always surprising you, so...
Well, I decided to leave the burden off you. How about that?
Really?
Yeah. Naomi, I hope you're enjoying the food.
Yes, it's so yummy.
I'm glad you like it.
It's really nice.
Babes, if you want another one, you let me know.
Oh.
You want to kiss somebody?
No, I know my husband. He loves food. I need not to be told.
Thank you.
I know. Yeah,
It's
baby.
really nice. Really, really nice.
Alright.
Can I get a gun? Thanks.
I told you, Gil. I told you. Hell hath no fury like a woman scorned. What did I ever do to you? How have I ever wronged you? No, I will never cry for you because you're such an evil man. You broke my heart, took away my womb, and messed up my entire life. There is nothing left anymore. Nothing left anymore. Goodbye. No, please. Nothing left. Nothing left.
You may take me for a fool, but I know what you're doing. And I can't take it anymore. All the lies and deception everybody see now. You're pushing me to the wall. To the wall. I gave you my heart and I gave you my everything, but you're taking me for a ride. For a ride. Am I really dreaming? Somebody wake me up. I'm hurting deep inside. Deep inside.
I just committed murder.
When you take me to the limit, just be careful what you do. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Oh, after you. Coming right after you. I am not a fool, just be ready, it won't be too long. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Yeah.
Yes, like you said earlier, it was all sugar and spice at the beginning. There's nothing I never did for my husband. I loved and cherished him. I walked through a dark path with him. His heart was where I called home. Yes. No. Listen to me, Louisa. I don't regret everything I have done. Yes, I know I might die by firing squad or by hanging, but trust me, I don't regret killing any of them. My husband dealt with me. He drew me to my elastic limit. He took away everything from me. He rendered me useless. I am ready to face the law. However, I am ready to face it. I don't care. Okay. Louisa, I don't care. I know. I don't care. You're useless, my life. I know. It's okay. I don't have a womb. My life is gone. My.
You may take me for a fool, but I know what you're doing. And I can't take it anymore. All the lies and deception everybody see now. You're pushing me to the wall. To the wall. I gave you my heart and I gave you my everything, but you're taking me for a ride. For a ride. Am I really dreaming? Somebody wake me up. I'm hurting deep inside. Deep inside. When you take me to the limit, just be careful what you do. I'll be coming back after you. I am not a fool, just be ready, it won't be too long. I'll be coming back after you. Oh, after you. Yeah. Yeah. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. And just then it'll be too late. Very late. All the lies and deception, they'll never be enough. Everything will be going down. Going down. I gave you my heart and I gave you my everything, but you're taking me for a ride. For a ride. Am I really dreaming? Somebody wake me up. I'm hurting deep inside. Deep inside. When you take me to the limit, just be careful what you do. I'll be coming back after you.